Multicolor creativity, a core XY stability, high precision performance. Upgrade your 3D printing game today and start creating faster and better performance. Print after print. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this printer is built to deliver confidence and control. Strong frame, intelligent design, and easy operation make the Cobra S1 combo perfect for home workshops, studios, and small business. It's not just a printer, it's a production powerhouse. If you want to print faster, create better, and stand out with multicolor design, this is the machine you've been waiting for. If you're serious about 3D printing, it's time to upgrade to a machine that delivers speed, power, and color without compromise. Meet the Cobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D Printer, designed to turn big ideas into perfect prints faster than ever. With an ultra-fast printing speed of up to 600 millimeters per second, this printer saves hours on every project. What used to take all day can now be completed in a fraction of the time without losing accuracy. The Core XY structure gives you unmatched stability. Even at high speed, the motion stays smooth, controlled, and precise. The result? Clean edges, sharp details, and professional-grade quality on every. Now let's talk about creativity. The multicolor printing system allows you to produce stunning, colorful models with zero manual. Logos, figures, prototypes, and product designs come out looking premium and ready to impress. High-precision engineering ensures consistent layer alignment and reliable design. Engineers and content creators, whether you're printing for fun or profit, this printer helps you work smarter and faster. If you want speed, stability, and stunning,